right, good morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host, Esco the Trader. So, yesterday afternoon, Amazon smashed earnings, literally lifting up the entire market 6 points by itself. Pulled up Snap, which had great earnings. Pinterest had a great earnings. The interesting thing is we come in this morning and we see that Pinterest is selling off. So even though the market ended up pulling back down into demand, we're looking to see how the market is going to react to what happened yesterday. Right now on my screen, upper left hand corner, I have Verizon. Upper right, I have Walmart. Lower left, I have Beyond Meat. Lower right, I have Peloton. I'm looking to play all four of these to the downside. The SPY and the Qs have just popped out of their demand zone at the 443, 444 area, but they are both sitting under the 200. So I'm going to see if they reject off of that. I'm going to try to use them to jump in on some puts on these four stocks that I'm looking at right now. See if they can help us push them down for a quick scalp. Other than that, the SPY has another demand at about 441. So even if they do end up flushing, it's probably going to be a very quick flush. Market's about to open in 10 seconds, so let's just see what story the market's going to tell us today, Friday, February 4th.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
All right, we have Verizon in the upper left-hand corner bouncing out of demand. SPY and the Qs are inching their way up towards the 200, so let's just sit tight and see what we can do. Walmart in the upper right-hand corner looks like it's heading down towards demand. Don't want to take puts going into demand because the stock can bounce and the trade can go against you very quickly. All right, SPY and the Qs are just sitting still right now on top of the moving averages. They're sitting on top of the 50 and VWAP. Walmart's popping down a little bit. All right, SPY and Q are holding tight. Peloton is taking a dump. Qs look like they're about to pop right back into demand. This is an interesting area right now to be trying to trade in because, again, when the indices are sitting on top of demand, they can pop up quickly as we saw yesterday. So you don't want to anticipate too much of a move going down, so forth and so on. Beyond Meat over to our lower left. Looking pretty decent here. It's rejecting off the 50 and the 200. We have about 30 seconds on this next candle. Might be looking to take it down. Peloton, nice flush right here. Very nice flush. Now it's going down into demand. I don't like trading the first candle. I like to kind of see what the sentiment is before I jump in, but that would have been a very rare instance where we had a good rejection off the 50 and a straight flush down. All right, here we go. 5 seconds into this next candle. Let's see what the market's going to give us.
Hey. Hey.
All right, market's starting to pull down. All right, it's going up. Watching Peloton over here. Damn, Peloton is heading down. Walmart's heading down. Walmart's in its demand right here. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, man. All right, let's see what it's going to do here. The keys are in demand right now. I do not like this. Walmart's coming down.
Hey.
All right, looking at Beyond.
Hey.
Damn, missed our entry. Missed our entry in Beyond. Oh, okay, it got us in. I was hoping to get in a little higher. If it starts to pull back here, it's going to go against us. But let's see if we can at least get it down to demand. I was hoping to get in a little higher with Beyond. Damn. All right, let's see what the SPY and Qs do right here. Let's see how aggressive this flush is going to be. All right, Qs are coming down a little bit more. SPY is sitting right on VWAP, man. I do not like that. I need it to break below it. All right, watching Beyond. Beyond's coming down below VWAP. Good. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. I want to get it down here. If we can get it down here, then at 57.80, 57.90, that would be a good little decent move for us. All right, watching Walmart here. Walmart is bouncing out of demand. Qs are starting to bounce right here. All right, let's see if we can get a farther push down. All right, Qs are starting to bounce a little bit. Looking for Beyond to come down. Walmart starting to get a little pop here out of demand. Verizon in the upper left hand starting to pop. Peloton is weak, looking really weak right now. All right, Qs are coming down. Let's see if Beyond is going to give us that exit. We're looking for about another 40-cent move. There we go. Come on, Beyond. You can do it. All right, Peloton was definitely the clear one right here. About to hit 23. Beyond is holding this this 9. There we go. Come on, Beyond. Qs are flushing. Let's go, Beyond. Give us a little bit more. Just need to stay patient and see if it can give us this last little push so we can get out. If I see the Qs bouncing, I'm jumping ship. Beyond is just sitting there. All right, I put my order to exit. Let's see if it's gonna let me out. Of course it's not. We lost a little bit of that. It pulled back. It has just sat there. I don't know why I couldn't execute our order. It literally just sat there. It's disappointing. All right, watching Peloton, lower right hand corner. Looking for a rejection off the 9 and a further continuation down.
Hey.
I see a lot of wicks going on Verizon here, but it's at the top of its supply zone. Don't want to try to short it. Peloton is probably going to be my next target. Looking to take the 23s. Maybe the 23.5s. All right, watching the Qs here. I was hoping Peloton would come up to at least 23.74 before I take it back down. All right, Qs look like they're starting to bounce here. At this point, we just wait. We wait for a rejection. We wait for it to pull back up, hit VWAP, and then try to take it back down. See this pop right here? This is exactly why, especially with Verizon in the upper left-hand corner, you don't want to try to take a short while it's bouncing literally at the surface of the demand zone. Peloton looking weak here, but I was hoping it would come up a little bit more. Qs look like they can reject here, so I'm watching Peloton get ready to jump in. Come on, Peloton, go up. Oh, man. I was hoping it would go up a little bit higher so we can catch it at 23.74 and then take it back down. Walmart's rejecting the third time off of VWAP. Walmart can be very tricky, though. Walmart can look weak for the first couple of candles and then basically do what Verizon is doing over here. All right, Peloton, man. Golly, it's not giving us anything. Here comes Beyond coming back down. Notice how Walmart is just sitting here. See how it's just sitting here and it's not moving? This is why you want to be very careful. It can go either way, but it's showing too much strength right now. It's not showing enough weakness like Peloton is. Peloton is flushing while the indices are going up. All right, here's Beyond. Volume on Beyond is non-existent right now. Either is Walmart. Walmart has no volume right now. They're only at 250,000. All right, here come the Qs. All right, let's see what Peloton can do here. All right, Qs look like they're gonna. Are they gonna rebound? SPY is right at VWAP right now. Yeah, look like it's starting to get a little bit of a pop here. And there goes Peloton going down. Q's going up, Peloton's going down. We might have missed our play with Peloton. I was really hoping that we would have caught a pullback back up here, and then we could have caught it on the reversal, but it's not giving us that. So don't chase it. Just let it do what it's going to do. We're getting a lot of buying down here, though. See some wicks down here, getting a lot of buying. Volume is going down, which is not a good sign. All right, Q's and SPY holding. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a rally here in a second. All right, nice rejection here off the 200 on Verizon in the upper left-hand corner. Ooh, that's a nasty rejection. All right, Q's and the SPY starting to rally. SPY's looking very weak, sitting right under VWAP though. Looking very weak. So, man, Verizon was the one. That was the one today. That was the one. All right. Q's are just holding the bottom of the demand zone. They're just sitting right at the very bottom. They haven't come out yet. All right, let's just sit tight. We're only 9 minutes into the bell.
Hey.
Walmart is bouncing up here once again at this pivot. Peloton showing weakness, man. Well, the next target for Peloton would be down here at 2275, 2260. 2260. All right, we're getting a nice little pop here from the SPY and the Qs. All right, looking to reject Peloton. I got the 2350s. If they break VWAP, if the SPY and Qs break VWAP, the next target will be the 200. All right, let them go. Let them go up. We're just going to use them on the rejection back down. All right, SPY is about 80 cents away. Qs are a good little distance away, almost $2 away. But if the SPYs hit the 200 and reject, that can be our entry. We just need Peloton to hold. Peloton's already starting to pull back. You only want to try to short stocks that show weakness. Right now, it looks like Walmart and Verizon are definitely showing some strength. Come on, Peloton. We have some decent buy orders at 23.20. So literally like 10 cents down, we have a whole bunch of buyers waiting. And there goes Peloton. Qs and SPY are going up. Peloton is getting pushed down. All right, the SPY is about 60 cents away from the 200. This is a nice rally right here they're having. Very nice. Verizon in the upper left-hand corner is doing really nice. All right, this is where I'm looking to get in on Peloton. If it can just pull up a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, SPY. You're not even there yet. You're already starting to reject. There you go. Go up a little bit more. Go up a little bit more. There we go. SPY is about to hit the 200. You know what? Man, there goes Peloton. I was going to say, I'm going to start a position. I'm going to start a half-size position with Peloton. All right, I'm getting in 5 Pelotons right here. Hopefully I can get filled. All right, I'm in 5. If it goes up a little higher, I'll add 5 more, but I'm looking for it to start rejecting here. Same thing with Beyond. I'm looking at Beyond over here, rejecting off the VWAP. I'm gonna start 5 right here with Beyond. Let me see if I can get filled. There we go. All right, so now I'm looking for Peloton is rejecting. Let's see if Beyond is gonna follow suit. If not, I'll add 5 more when Peloton gets up to VWAP. I'll add 5 more if Beyond ends up getting up to the 50 or the 200. I think the SPY and Qs can reject right here. But I want to try to get as much of this move as possible. So, all right, Beyond is just holding. It's just sitting over here, not really doing anything. All right, the SPY and Qs are ripping. Let's see if they're going to go a little bit higher. All right, let's see if we get a rejection right here. All right, Beyond is going up. SPY and the Qs are ripping. SPY is literally at the 200 right now. All right, they're showing some strength this morning. I'm adding some more right here on Peloton. Is it going to fill me? No, it's not. Damn. All right, Beyond and Peloton are both. Damn, that was, see, this is why. Look at Beyond over here on the left. This is what I was trying to catch. Let's see how hard the SPY and Qs reject off of this. All right, SPY is showing some strength. Is at the 200. Little baby rejection, nothing major. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's come back down.
Hey.
They're showing a lot of strength right now. A lot of strength. They're literally, SPY and Qs are literally standing still right now. Alright. They're going up now. Alright, well at this point we can still add on Beyond. And we could possibly add one more time on Peloton if it gets all the way up to VWAP. Yeah, they're showing a lot of strength right now. Come on back down. Yeah, the SPY and Qs are showing some serious strength right now. Alright, I'm looking to add one more time on Peloton. Let me wait for it to pull up again. Nah, damn. I wanted it to pull up. I wanted it to pull up. Alright, looks like we might get a little bit more help here. There we go. Alright, I'll add one more time here at VWAP.
Hey.
I'll add right there on Peloton. Beyond, I'm looking to add at this 50. Alright, I'm in Peloton. Triple my position. Alright, looking to add a Beyond right at the 50. Come on, Beyond. Don't pull back yet. Alright, watching Walmart in the upper right hand corner, seeing if it breaks the pivot. Alright, Beyond looks good. Adding Beyond right here. Alright, I should be double my size as soon as I get filled. There we go. Alright, double my size on Beyond. Triple my size on Peloton. Let's see if the Qs and SPY reject right here. I gotta get ready to get out very quickly because I don't know how long and how hard this rejection might be. It might just be quick. Alright, there goes Beyond. See, it's not even staying down that long. If it pops back down again, I'm gonna look to exit half my size. Alright, let's see if I can get filled right there and Beyond. Alright, got out half my size there. Peloton, I'm still in triple my size. I'm looking to see if the SPY and Qs show me a little bit of weakness. Alright, Peloton's looking kind of strong here. Q and the SPYs are coming down. Peloton's going up. Alright, looking to see if Beyond ends up breaking below VWAP. Alright, SPY and Qs right under the 200. All right, looking at Beyond right here. I just need a hard yank back down with Beyond and Peloton. All right, come on, Beyond. There we go. Come on, one more good yank down. One more good yank down. One more good yank down. Watching the spine cues right here. Come on, Beyond. Beyond is just tiptoeing down. All right, spine cues are coming. There we go, Beyond. All right, let me not be greedy. Let me see if I can get filled right there. It's not filling me. All right, we didn't really get the exit we wanted, but we'll take it. Peloton make its way back down to VWAP. Come on, Peloton. All right, it's at VWAP. I'm gonna trim right there. I'm gonna get out of 5. All right, let's see. We got 10 more contracts. Oh man, the Q's Inspire starting to rip again. I'm gonna get out another 5 right here. See if I can get filled. All right, the last 5 I'm gonna have to hold. I didn't want this trade to go against me, but I need Peloton to come back down to at least 23.30. There we go. Come on, Peloton. Come on. We're at 23.66. We just need to drop another hard 30 cents. Come on, Peloton. Come on, one good hard yank down. All right, spine cues look like they're about to make their way back up again. All right, we're gonna get out. See if we can get filled right here. Not what we wanted on Peloton, but we just gonna have to take it because the spine and the cues is showing a ridiculous amount of strength right now. And Peloton is not really moving in conjunction with them. So, all right, the spine and the cues are starting to reject. Peloton is just showing some strength right now. All right, spine and the cues are coming back down to VWAP. Verizon, upper left-hand corner, still in our rejection zone. It's making higher highs. Walmart is still at the pivot, not really doing anything right now. Spine, the cues are flushing down to VWAP. Peloton showing strength. This is why I didn't want to stay in it. Right here. As you can see, this is exactly why I didn't want to stay. Look at that. With no volume, it's spiking like that while the indices are pulling back. It's the thing about scalping, man. You have to be so quick. You have to know exactly where you're getting in, where you're getting out. You have to have a game plan, or else it is just not going to work. All right, so we'll wait for our second half of the morning setups. This is what we wanted to see right here on Beyond. This right here. This is what we wanted to see right there, but it was just... All right, a lot of stocks are showing some strength this morning. Let's kind of look around the market and see what we have. Ford is down to 18. Wow. Wow. I guess that miss from earnings yesterday really set it back a bit. All right, Walmart is finally below the pivot. Looking to possibly get in. No, not right there. We're gonna wait on Walmart. Ford though, Ford can possibly end up Ford can possibly end up going lower. Missed a good entry on Ford. Missed a really good entry. I should have been paying attention to them. I knew they failed earnings. All right, let's see. Ford. Ford is going to be our next play right now. Just paying attention and see what it's going to do here, rejecting off the VWAP. Peloton showing some serious strength. All right, spies and Qs are starting to reject. This is the fourth red candle off the rejection off the 200. It was showing a lot of strength up there, but as you can see, it's finally giving out. Peloton looks like it's rejecting here off the 21. Still showing a lot of strength though. Now these 2350 puts, but Qs are literally right back in the demand, so I'm not going to do anything right now. All right, the SPY and the Q are actually moving very slow today. I'm surprised with the fact that they had such a good post-market yesterday with earnings. Amazon, Pinterest, Snapchat, all literally just blowing earnings out the water. I expected a little bit of profit taking this morning, but this right here, man, this is moving at a snail's pace. SPY has a daily average of 163 million. Right now at 9:54, we're only at 12. So it seems to be moving a lot slower than normal. But we'll just stay here and watch and see what the market's gonna do. All right, there's the move we were waiting for on Beyond. Golly, the stock moves slow. This is what we were trying to get earlier. This move right here, but it was just taking a sweet time. Watching Ford right here. I gotta be careful with Ford. The Qs are sitting right on top of their demand zone. Now notice how Beyond is flushing, but yet Peloton is showing some strength. The thing about doing your due diligence, man, is not just knowing what your plays are going to be, but trying to figure out which stocks have the best chance to move in your favor. Because the market can be going in one direction and these individual stocks can be going in a different. All right, let's see. Ford has a lot of buying pressure on it. I want it to go back up to the VWAP and then try to catch another rejection. So we can catch Ford coming back up to about $18 and then catching the flush back down. That could be a good opportunity. SPY and the Q are weak. They're weak going up. They are weak right now going up. All right, I'm getting in Ford right here. Let's see if they fill me. All right, we're not getting filled on Ford. What is the problem? Oh, no, I don't want to buy 200. All right, for some reason it was trying to fill us on 200. No, we don't want to do that. Damn, we could have gotten in Ford right here. Watch it flush now. Watch it flush in the upper left-hand corner. Let's see if we can get a pullback on Ford. Come on, Ford. Come on. It's coming down. We need it to go up. Yeah, SPY and Qs are looking weak right here. They're starting to come down. Damn. I was hoping to catch Ford a little bit higher where we were trying to get in at, but unfortunately it wouldn't fill our orders. Peloton is showing strength right here. Walmart starting to show some weakness under the pivot. All right, so we're Beyond right here. If it breaks this pivot and comes out of this demand zone, we could have a possible trade. All right, watching Ford right here for a pullback. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, Ford, pull back up. All right, there we go. We're in Ford now. We're in Ford at 1777. We need to bring Ford down to about 1750. If we can get Ford down to 1750, this will be our walk off right here. Right there. We need Ford to come down to 1755. All right, let's see what the market's going to give us. We need the market to display a lot of weakness here, rejecting off the 200 again to make its way down to the demand zone. I think that's probably going to be our best opportunity to catch Ford and push it back down to the 1755 area. If need be, if Ford makes it all the way back up to 18, I will add again. Because I'm very confident that after Ford failed its earnings yesterday, I feel very confident that Ford is going to be headed down probably to under $17. But we just want to catch a quick scalp, a quick little pop of this move. And we have a decent position size. All right, now as you can see, lower left-hand corner, Beyond is making its way down to the pivot. Peloton on the right side is showing strength. So let's see what we got here. The Qs have decreasing volume on this pull up, so all we need is Ford to just show a little bit of weakness. If we can get a nice good red candle coming down, 1755 is our target. All right, SPY and the Qs are trying to go up. Come on, Ford. Ford's at 72. We're 20 cents away. Let's go. SPY and Qs are going up. All right, they're at the 200 again. They're at the 200. They got a little bit of rising volume this time. I don't know if they're going to be able to break it. Watching Ford right here. If they get back up to 18, I'm adding again. All right, the SPY and Qs are looking pretty strong right here. Yep. They got some rising volume on this rally right here. Ooh, a lot of volume. All right, let's see if we can get a rejection right here. Oh yeah, they're rallying hard. They're putting some money in the market right now. Look at Peloton, lower right hand corner. Nice rally. Oh yeah, they're pumping some money in the market right now. Look at this candle on the SPY. It is incredible. All right, watching Ford. See if we can get another pullback here.
Hey.
Yeah, wow. This is a serious rally right now on the SPY and Qs. Serious rally. Serious. Look at this candle. This is the biggest candle within like the last, I don't know, 10 minutes. Biggest candle within the last 8 to 10 minutes. All right, we need to show some weakness right here. There we go. All right, let's go forward. We got to come down now. We got to drop now 30 cents. All right, we're getting a decent little pullback. Ford, surprisingly, is showing a lot of strength here at 10 o'clock in the morning. It was at $20 yesterday. Right now it's at 17. It was at 17.80. I was expecting a bigger pullback. All right, that was a decent pullback on the SPY and Qs, but we need Ford to come down. We have a lot of buyers right now at the 1770 area. We just have to stay patient and see if Ford is going to give us that, man. All right, SPY is back at VWAP. This was a serious flush for Ford to only pull back like 4 cents. Oh my God, let's go for it. Let's pull. Look at that. The SPY has dropped almost $1. It's dropped almost $1, and Ford has only dropped 4 cents. Come on, Ford. You gotta do better than that. You got to do better than that. That was nothing. 4 cents. Now the SPY is starting to rally back up again. It's sitting right there at VWAP. If we can get a break below, man, and just get a nice good red candle coming down. All right, come on, SPY. All right, watching Ford right here. Oh, wow, look at that rally. The Qs are just ripping up now. Qs are ripping up right now. Yeah, they're going up. Like I said, if Ford makes it back to 18, I'm gonna add. I'm doubling my size. All right, this might actually go against us now because the SPY and Qs are really starting to rally. They're showing a lot of strength this morning. All right, Qs are definitely coming out. They're breaking out of the 200. SPY's looking a little weak, but the Qs are they've completely broken above. All right, yep, there goes that pop. All right, we're gonna add again on Ford. We're gonna double our size. Right there. We're adding right there. We're doubling our size right there, 18. Let's see if we can get filled. Oh man, it's not letting us get filled. I hate when our orders sit out there like that. They don't fill us. All right, we have our order sitting out there. For some reason we're not getting filled. All right, come on, Ford, fill us. Ford is having a nice rally right at 18, right where I said I wanted to add. Let's try to cancel this order and get in one more time. All right, we're in. We're in double our position now. At this point, Ford has to come down. A lot of buyers in Ford right now. A lot more than I anticipated. I expected Ford to pull back a lot more than they did this morning. I mean, you can see they came down from their highs yesterday, and they started to come down in the pre-market. They had a good flush at the open. That was actually the ideal time to catch them. But they're showing a lot of strength right now. It's a lot of big orders. I see an order for 1.3 million, 1.1 million shares on the buy side. Yeah, they're stacked on the buy side. So we need to get down now to about 1790. We need to get below the 9 in order for us to be able to walk away out of this trade break even. Right now we're down on this trade. We're down about 11%. If we can get a nice, the same way we got this green candle going up, if we can get a red one coming down, we'll be all right. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, let's trim half our size there. We're out there. Beautiful. All right, let's see if the SPY and Qs are going to pull it down a little bit more. All right, we're actually at break even now. That was good. That was good. We were able to catch it. There we go. Come on down a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on down another 4 cents. 2 cents. Come on, 2 cents more. All right, Walmart's coming down. Beyond is coming down. Walmart is flushing. Come on, Ford. Get down here. Get down here. All right, there we go. Come on down. Come on. We're going to get out. man, it's not gonna fill
Hey.
out order. It's not gonna fill out order. Oh man, this broker sucks. All right, let's see if we can. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's try to get out right here. All right. I was hoping we can get down to about 80, man. I was really hoping to at least walk away with some decent profits on that one. We broke even, and now we're just up a little bit, but we didn't lose, so that's the most important thing. But Ford was showing too much strength. We have decreasing volume, as you can see, decreasing volume, but yet you still found the strength to have this little, what is this, like a 14-cent rally right here? That went against us. The SPY and the Qs are sitting at the 200 again. Volume is looking somewhat decent. Walmart definitely broke below the pivot. Let's see, where's the next demand zone on Walmart, which is literally 139.65. 139.65 is the next demand on Walmart. Let's go ahead and mark that. Right here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, our entry on Walmart would have been at 140, right at 140. But this is only a 20-cent move. All right, now here's Ford. There's Ford finally doing what we needed to do. Man. All right, well, you know what? We finished the day green. We're up. We took 4 trades. We took Beyond. We took Peloton. We took Ford. We actually took 3 trades. Took Ford, and we're 3 for 3. I was really expecting to really capitalize on Ford, but the fact that it went against us right here with this LDC just really ruined things for us right there. If we could have just held in this area at 1780 and just made our way back down to this pivot, we could have really walked away with some real decent gains there. But it was just showing way too much strength. I mean, listen, you had 1.3 million and 1.1 million shares on the buy side. So, you know, you have buyers literally stepping up and pushing, or at least keeping the stock up from flushing. Very disappointing to see, but, you know, oh well, it's the way of the market. Walmart is not bouncing in this demand here. So let's see how much lower it can go. All right, let's see who else is doing pretty bad in the market today. How's Facebook doing? Facebook is at 234. Look at this. This is like down, up, down, up, down, up. No clear direction here. Right on top of its demand zone. Snap doing really good. Rebounded. Yeah, Ford was very disappointing. I don't know why it was behaving like that. General Motors, pretty much the same. Literally the same chart as Ford. GM didn't have earnings yesterday, so I don't know why it's I don't even know why the chart looks like this. All right, American Airlines. American Airlines actually looks very weak right now. We could see a continuation back down. Looking to see how the SPY and Q do. Spirit Airlines, United Airlines, all these airline stocks have pretty much the same chart pattern. JetBlue, yep, JetBlue, United Airlines, Spirit Airlines, American Airlines, they all look the same. Look at this. Flush, sideways, flush, sideways, flush, a little bit more of a downward angle, but still, chart patterns look identical. Alright, FedEx. Looking weak here today. Ooh, Kellogg's, man. Missed Kellogg's. Damn. One of my favorite stocks to trade. Facebook right above this demand zone.
Hey.
SoFi.
Hey.
Sideways. Walgreens.
Hey.
Alright. Yeah, there's Walmart. Back down in the second demand zone. Kroger. Rejection off the 250. Sideways on Dollar Tree. Netflix. Bounce out of his. Look at this. Beautiful bounce. Right out of the demand. PayPal. PayPal came all the way down to 122. Wow. Look at that. Now it's under its has a little bit of a demand right here. Going back up. Worth checking out, worth keeping an eye on. Yeah, a lot of buying right now on Ford. I wouldn't even try to go back in and short it. You got, let me see, 1.2 million shares, 1.1 million shares, 960,000 shares. Yeah, they're trying to buy Ford up right now. They are buying the hell out of Ford. Verizon. I actually had this on my chart first thing this morning, but when I seen it trying to rally, I just pulled away. But as you can see, it rejected off the 200 and came back down into demand. Now I'll be curious to see if it'll break below this. You know what? Let me see. Let's look at Verizon. Right there.
Hey.
Alright, so let's keep an eye on Verizon. Verizon has the potential right here. If it looks weak and rejects and comes down through that demand. Q and SPY showing some strength right now. Let's see. CVS is at all-time highs right now. It's under the 200. It could reject again. But CVS is doing really good. Really good. Look at this. Look at this rally right here in the first 5 minutes. Look at that. That was a clean rally. Over $1. Boom. Now there's our Beyond. Starting to rally now. Right at the VWAP. IBM. I had them on my watch list this morning, but I seen them rallying, so I didn't even want to look at them anymore. Seemed like everything rejected where the SPY rejected. Citigroup. See, this is a SPY right here. This is the S&P 500. It's at the top of this pivot. The 200 on the 5 minute is right up here. This will probably be where the next rejection would be. Pull this up a little bit higher. But we're getting a lot of strength. Volume is going down, but yet we're still rising up on low volume. JP Morgan. JP Morgan could actually reject right here. Yeah, JP Morgan can actually reject right here. This might be a trade. Let's take a look. JP Morgan, see what these contracts are looking like on Friday. Not bad. 149s are not bad at all. Not bad. Let me see if I can change this to that. All right, yeah, JP Morgan can reject right here. Let's see what it does here. No, it's rejecting right there. Let's see how hard it can come down. I want to see what these contracts are looking like when they move. They're not aggressively pumping, but they're moving slowly. Like really slow.
Hey.
Peloton has some rejection at 24.75. I'm actually going to pull him up over here. I have a feeling as soon as I take Ford off of this screen, it's going to flush. It's got a lot of buyers. Wow. We're talking, I see 4 orders for over 1 million shares on Ford right now. Let's put Peloton up here in the right upper left hand corner. There we go. In my rejection zone, 24.75. There is a ceiling. So that would be like right up here. There is a ceiling of sellers ready to push this back down. All right, back to JP Morgan. Yep, sitting right here at the 9. Contracts are moving way too slow. Way too slow. I mean, this was a decent rejection, but the contracts didn't really even move. All right, the SPY and the Q, they're rallying right now. So right now, it just makes sense to try to find stocks that are looking pretty weak. Lucid probably, Lucid, even though it's going up, it could reject right here. It's got low volume, sitting at the 200 right now. All right, there's the Qs. Qs just broke out finally above the 200. We're getting some decent volume here. It's not rising, but it's staying pretty much the same. All right, watching Peloton in the upper left-hand corner. It looks like it's rejecting. It's not even where I saw these big orders at. I don't know why it's rejecting so hard. Walmart is trading pretty much in between these two zones right now, so I wouldn't touch Walmart. All right, Nvidia mirroring the Qs right now. Tesla doing really good. Broke 900. That was a key level right here. Broke that. Looks like it's starting to pull back a little bit. Microsoft doing the same thing. AMD doing the same thing. It looks like tech is pretty much Marvel too. They're all mirroring each other. Even AMC is getting in on this. Why? I don't know. Alright, Pinduoduo. Lyft. Yep. Same chart pattern. Same chart pattern. It's making higher highs. Look at this.
Hey.
Making higher highs. They're all looking the same.
Hey.
There we go. Alright, so it looks like the SPY and Qs are showing some strength today, so there's really no reason to even continue trading and trying to short. Yeah, I mean, look, the market is pretty much...
Hey.
The market is pretty much copying the SPY and the Qs. Same chart pattern, making higher highs. Unless we get a mid-afternoon flush, I don't see the reason to try to short anybody at this point. We got a nice little rally here in crypto. I don't know where that's coming from. Yeah, it looks like things are starting to make their way up. Bitcoin, wow, look at this. Damn, let me see, crypto from this morning, 9:30. Almost a 2,000 point rally on Bitcoin right now. I guess the banks know something we don't. The banks definitely know something we don't. Look at Uber. Wow. This is what you call a rally. All right, so I mean, looking at the market right now leads me to believe that the correction period is probably over. And what I mean by that is that the market regressing backwards is probably done. We're probably going to continue to trade within a range and slowly make our way back up to all-time highs. There was a report. The Feds released that they're going to implement the interest rate increases, I think at the beginning of next month. And I think that's what caused that late afternoon drop in the market. I think it was sometime after 2 o'clock. The market just started dropping like 6 points. And I read that, and I even ended up taking a short on the SPY. it caught me. It was a nasty little reversal. The first trade I took, it went against me very quickly, and I was down. I was like, oh man, this is some bad news. I don't understand why the market is rallying. And then within a few candles later, it just started flushing. So what I did was I doubled my size because I just had a feeling. I said, no, this is gonna go down. This is bad news. But I doubled my size, and I was able to recoup my loss. I wish I would have held a little bit longer, but going into the close, Amazon had earnings. So I said to myself, it would be smart to continue to hold it into the close because if Amazon beats earnings, the market could spike. But then if it failed earnings with the market already on its way down, the market would definitely, I think, would have dropped maybe another 5 or 6 points. But something told me not to be greedy. I was able to make back my losses. I was like, all right, let me just get out right here. Let me not be too greedy because at any moment this trade can go against me. And I ended up getting out. And sure enough, going into the close, the market rallied 6 points off of Amazon. I said, wow. So, lack of discipline when trading can really hurt you. And it's important to have a strategy when you come into the market. Have a strategy that works. Not just have a strategy, but have a strategy that you've tested and works. You know it works 8 out of the 10 times. You know the setups that it works on. You know the right time to use that setup. If you do not see your plays setting up in order for you to use your strategy, then you do not take a trade. You do not try to force your strategy on a play that you think it might work on. And if you feel optimistic but you're not 100% sure, then you just reduce the risk. Instead of going in your normal position size, you trim it down to like a third of your normal position size. And you just, that way, if it goes against you, you're only losing on a third of your normal position size versus the full amount. So, anyways, yeah, it looks like we were probably going to be rallying today. We're getting a little bit of a pullback right here. This is the third. This is the second candle. We're rejecting off of 358 on the Qs. This is the third time we're rejecting at 448 on the SPY. So this 448.40 level is very strong. Let's see how quick they rebound. Yeah, they're rebounding. Let's see if they can hold this and try to reattempt to get back up there. Alright, let's see. Let's take a look and see the stocks that are doing. Look at Chewy. Chewy is, wow. Chewy is rallying. It's getting ready to go up into its supply zone though.
Hey.
Alright, let's see.
Hey.
Snapchat rejected at 38. 38 was a strong level for Snapchat. Let's go ahead and push this up a little bit. Right there. Alright. Snapchat is appearing to be a problem for Facebook. Alright, that's 10:30. Part of the reason why Facebook failed earnings is because of the competition that Snapchat is doing. And even though, listen, Facebook has its, reels on Instagram and stuff, which I'm sure a lot of people feel that they just copied that off of Snapchat. But, Snapchat, TikTok, I mean, the younger generation, that's what they gravitate towards, Snapchat and TikTok.
Hey.
Adults are usually the ones that you find on Instagram. But I don't know. Facebook has another issue that, there's less and less people signing up. I mean, they have I think it's like 2 billion active subscribers right now around the world. 2 billion. I mean, in my personal opinion, we're running out of people on this planet. Like, how many more people can sign up for Facebook? At this point, they're probably going to put a lot of their eggs in the basket of this metaverse and hope that they can generate a lot of revenue from that and have longevity, because there are no new active subscribers that you can get to sign up for Facebook. Facebook has been around now for what, like 15, 16 years. I mean, it's kind of dated. If you ask me, it's kind of dated. I doubt it will become a MySpace. A lot of businesses tend to use Facebook to advertise their businesses. A lot of people have their businesses on Facebook. The marketplace is a very popular place for you to be able to find goods and services. So there's still a lot of value in the company, but that wow factor that we got from Facebook 10, 15 years ago is gone. It's pretty much diluted now to a place where old people go. Family members share pictures of their vacations and of their pets. People take pictures on their trips and vacations and post it on there for everybody to see. Other than that, Facebook is what it is. Alright, we're getting a nasty rejection on the SPY. The Qs are getting pulled down with it. They're still above the 200. Let's see how the market reacts. Peloton is just not even phased by that in the upper left hand corner. Look at this, just not even phased. Giannis taking a hit. Walmart, if we can break this pivot on Walmart, I might be interested in taking Walmart to the downside. Alright, the Qs, ooh, that was a nasty rejection. The Qs broke the 200 on that. Let's see if they close. We have about 10 seconds left on this candle. Qs are starting to, oh wow. The market's coming down hard. That was a nasty rejection. Ooh. SPY just dropped like $2 on one candle. What was that all about? Let's see if we have any breaking news right now. Checking Twitter to see if we missed anything. Let's see if we have any breaking news. That was a nasty, nasty drop. I don't see anything. I'm checking Twitter right now. I don't see anything. Alright, jobs report was good this morning. No, I don't see anything that could have caused that. The 30-year yield rose above zero for the first time since June after stronger than expected U.S. jobs report. That was at 10 o'clock, so that was almost half an hour ago. Yields on European government bonds surged after the ECB's Christine Lagarde reignited fears about the ability of some countries to withstand higher borrowing costs. That could have been it. That could have been it. Kohl's is rejecting the takeover offers it received from suitors, saying that they were too low. So I guess somebody's trying to buy out Kohl's. That was a nasty rejection. That was a $2 one candle drop on the SPY. That was nasty. Alright, let's see what Walmart has for us, if anything, right now. Snapchat looked like it's starting to pull back. It's sitting here at VWAP. It can go a little bit lower if it wants. Walmart, decent contract size here. Decent. Prices are not bad. Alright, let's see what Walmart can do here. 139. I'm curious to see if the SPY and Qs are going to reject. SPY is rejecting off the 21. SPY is sitting right at the 50. I don't know. The market might pull back a little bit more here. This is kind of interesting. right, I'm getting in some Walmart puts right here. That was a nasty drop for that to just be a one and done. That was nasty. I think the SPY might have a little bit left in it. Let's see. Let's see what we're going to get on this Walmart rejection right here. If it starts pulling back up, I'm going to be like shocked because that was a nasty $2 drop to just come out of the blue. Yeah, we're just going to drop the entire market 2 points and then we're going to rally back up. That was nasty. So let's see what Walmart can give us here. Our target's going to be 138.94. All right, watching the market here to see what it's going to do. Look like it's starting to rally. All right, Walmart. Let's see. All right, Walmart looked like, all right, market looked like it's coming down a little bit more. All right, let's see. We're going to get out right here. We're going to get out right there. We've got a quick 10% on Walmart. Yeah, that wasn't anything really. Quick little 10%. What is this market doing? It's playing games right now. It's sitting right at the 50.
Hey.
All right, market looks like it can come down a little bit more right here. All right, it's coming down. Did we get filled? We did not get filled on Walmart. Damn. We did not get filled on Walmart. That sucks. All right, let's try again. All right, we're in Walmart again. Let's see if Walmart can get down to 138.94. That was a nasty candle coming down off of. All right, we're out of Walmart. We got pretty much down to 138. 138.99. I didn't want to try to risk holding that too long. All right, yeah, the market's coming down. Damn, we missed that little spike right there. All right, well, we're up a few dollars today. I mean, that was 5 trades. We're good on all 5. So I'm looking through Twitter right now. I don't see anything that could have I don't see anything that would be causing this drop. This is a nasty drop. Wow, this was just absolutely insane. But after a $2 drop like that, you don't expect it to just rally and all of a sudden we going straight back up again. Walmart's not really giving us clean one direction. It's just, inching down, put, inching down, put. We got a lot of volume on this candle right here. You gotta watch the SPY though, man. The SPY has been known to just tank during situations like this. This thing can just literally flush and just yank the whole market down with it. I would feel confident jumping in this trade if I knew exactly what caused this. Damn, the market's coming down. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback. Keys is at the 50. What is causing? All right, let's see if we get a little bit of a pullback here on the SPY. Damn, the SPY is flushing. The SPY is flushing right now. Damn it. All right, let's see if the SPY is going to rally back up. We have this demand zone just below it. All right, we missed our entry on the SPY. We missed our entry on the SPY. We needed to pull back. We needed to pull back. We got rising volume on this flush down though. Man, this is nasty. We got some rising volume on this flush down. Rising volume. What is going on in the market right now? What is the market doing? All right, it's pulling back up. It's pulling back up. It's pulling back up. This might be a rejection. All right, it's bouncing where it is right now. We got rising selling pressure though. Rising selling pressure right now. Look at Walmart. Joe Biden's going to be speaking in a little bit. All right, what is he about to say? What is he about to say? All right, looks like the SPY is pulling back. What is he about to say is my question. All right, looking to see what the market. I need to find out what time Joe Biden speaks and what he's going to speak about because all right, the SPY looks like it's rejecting right here, but it's got okay. Let's see, we got some selling pressure right here. All right, let's see what the SPY does. We don't want to anticipate anything. Let's just see what the market's telling us. That was a hell of a pullback. That was like a $3 drop in like the last 10 minutes. That was $3 nasty dollars. Stay patient. Watch to see what the market is telling us. React according. SPY is sitting literally at this pivot right now. It's at the 200 on the 30-minute. Just stay patient. Let's see what the market is going to say. I don't know if they're anticipating something negative he's going to say because the market is looking very weak right now. All right, we're not getting a free fall right now. Peloton in the upper left-hand corner. Good Lord. What is Peloton doing? What is the market doing? Qs are sitting at the 50. I wouldn't touch the market right now. I would not short it. Snapchat, lower right hand corner, broke the 200. See if the market's going to fake out the bears. I'm not touching anything right now. I'm not touching anything right now. We're not getting that flush that we got 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago. Tesla's back at 900 again, so that was an 8-10 point drop. All right, it's only 10:45. All right, Qs are flushing. Wow, the market is falling. They're about to get into the demand zone. We missed our entry. I wasn't expecting that quick of a drop, but it is what it is. They're about to fall into the next demand zone. Now, this is going to suck for us because if they flush that demand zone, that means they would have dropped more than 7 points already in less than half an hour. The question to ask at this point is how much lower can it go? And this is one of the things that used to get me about continuing to short the SPY after it's dropped already like 7 points already in such a short period of time. There's not going to be that much selling pressure left to keep flushing the market. We're not in that correction zone anymore where the market was dropping 10 points a day. All right, the Qs are in the demand. We done missed the entry. They are flushing through this demand. Wow, they're cutting through it like a hot knife through butter. They are not wasting any time. They are not playing. They are coming down. This is insane. What is causing this? I don't see anything on Twitter right now. I don't see anything. Okay, here we go. U.S. 10-year Treasury yield rises to almost 2%, highest since December. Treasury yield rises. Not a good thing. Not a good thing. That explains it. Okay. Banks are starting to pull their money now. Wow, look at Peloton. We missed like the meat of this move. Look at this. This is a nasty rejection. Walmart still holding. Snapchat. Beyond Meat. Alright, so they're in the demand right now. They're trying to soak up all these orders. So I think they could possibly go a little bit lower. The next demand zone is that 443. I'm going to load some 443 contracts and just sit tight. I'm going to see if the SPY or the Q is going to bounce out of this demand zone or if they're going to continue to push lower. I did not expect that quick drop on the SPY. I was looking for an entry, but I didn't expect that. That was just nasty. Wow. Alright, the SPY and the Q are holding right here in their demand zones respectively. SPY looks like it's trying to push through it. Alright, SPY looks like it's trying to bounce out of that zone. If it continues to go lower though, oof. Alright, so what we would like to see right here, since the SPY and the Qs, let me see if I can pull them up. I will pull them up. I'll pull them up right here. Let's see, SPY. Alright, upper right hand corner of the screen. SPY is right here in this demand zone. Look at this nasty drop we just had, man. This was wow. Look at this. From 449 all the way down to 443. 444 and some change. Look at that. That was nasty. So what I would like to see is a nice little rally back up to the pivot at 445.80 and then a flush back down. I'll try to see if I can enter. I would be interested in taking some puts right there. If we can get out of this zone, make our way back up here, and then get ready to push and continue to come lower. Now, what we're not seeing right now is what it did yesterday, where it just shot straight up out of the demand zone. Right now, as you can see, it's just sitting on top of it. It's soaking up all those buy orders from yesterday. But it's not shooting like directly out. I'm starting to look at Snapchat here. It's continuing to pull down. Peloton is sitting at the VWAP. It breaks the VWAP. We might have a trade back down to the low of day, which would be, I guess we could take it down to 23.53. Peloton, let's see what these contracts are looking like. Ooh, not bad at all. These 24s look really decent. Not bad. Not bad on Peloton. But we need momentum though. We need momentum. We need speed. We can't be stuck in these trades on Friday, 0 DTE. And it's just lollygagging. Alright, Snapchat still continuing to go down. The SPY and the Qs are starting to pump a little bit. Snapchat struggling. Struggling right here. Low volume. Volume is going down. Surprisingly, for the day, it's tripled its normal daily volume. Normal daily is 47. It's at 100, almost at 120 million. But this is what I don't understand. You tripled the volume, but you're still making your way back down. I mean, look at the pop it had yesterday, though. Look at this. Look at this. It came from 24. It went all the way up to 30 to 40. From 24 to 40, this is all profit taking right here. That's what this is. This is all profit taking. Now, when you see a lot of profit taking like this, I mean, look, it popped, came back down, rallied, back up to 38, and then literally just giving it all back. That leads me to believe that there might not be a lot of optimism for Snap. Because if there was, then you would imagine they would have pulled back here. They would have pulled back to about the 36 level, and they wouldn't have allowed it to continue to go any lower. Triple the volume, and it's only 10:50 in the morning. Yeah, this thing might hit 150 million today. All right. I was hoping the SPY would, give us a little bit more of a rally before it decides to come back down. But it's sitting right here, eating up all of those buy orders. No long wick candles like this. This is what I was looking to see. Something like this right here, where it just literally just shoots back out. But that 10-year yield interest hike, the highest in, let me see, the highest since December of 2019. All right, so the VIX, the volatility on the VIX is starting to increase. That means that the market could be going down. That is not a good sign. I need to see the SPY below here. I'll be interested in taking some 443 puts. I have them loaded. I need to see this get through the zone and make its way down here. I think the next zone is 443. I need to raise this up a little bit. I don't think it's this low. I think it's 443. Yeah, I think it's like up here, right there. Peloton, weak. All right, so the market right now has about just under a third of what it normally has. At this point, I guess it would just make sense for us to call it a day. 5 for 5 today. 2 quick trades on Walmart, 1 on Ford, 1 on Beyond, 1 on Peloton. 5 for 5. We'll call it a day, and then we will log back on this afternoon if we see the market starting to really dump. Right now, it looks like it's starting to rally a little bit, so with low volume right now in the indices, even though we had that breaking news, it's really going to be watching paint dry. So listen, hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host, Esco the Trader. Be safe, always practice proper risk management when trading.